Hey guys, welcome to Smell What's Cooking, where tonight we're going to make bananas Foster with fire. Check it out. Bananas Foster. This is a dish that is synonymous with Brennan's restaurant in New Orleans. And apparently it came in to being in 1952, where they had a customer named Richard Foster, and he challenged the chef to come up with a dessert which featured bananas. So that's how that came. I have some butter, to which I'm going to add some dark brown sugar. And we are going to melt that together. Now this doesn't take very long at all, because this is something that's very traditionally done table side. And that maitre d's got a lot of places to go. People to see, babies to kiss, tables to turn. We get that all combined, and we let that go till it starts to bubble. Now for each person, and I'm the only person here, you take one banana, and I have it sliced in half and then lengthwise. And once you get this all getting nice and bubbly and happy, as you see it doing, it's bubbly, it's happy, it's downright ecstatic right now. We're going to add our bananas. And we're going to cook these about 30 seconds aside. And I see I'm using a fork and a spoon as my implements here. Alright, see that's all nice and ready to roll here. And now we're going to do the fun part. Our flambe. Going to remove from the heat for a moment. I have some dark rum here, which I'm going to add on in. And then, there we go. And that's going to go, and then for some extra bonus points, you throw a little bit of cinnamon in there, you get a nice little light show. And that bubbles, it gets happy, and as it flames, all that alcohol is burned off. And what you are left with is the most delicious rum sauce you have ever had. I have a scoop of nice, beautiful ice cream here. And we're just going to plate that up. Take our bananas, arrange them around the plate. And then get a good scoop of that caramel sauce. And there you go. that quick, we have Bananas Foster. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Please like and subscribe for some more great videos.